Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've had a great day so far. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a couple of holiday decor DIYs for your home using items from the Dollar Tree. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you can be notified as soon as I upload a video. For the first DIY, you will need the clear 2-pack ornaments, diamond wrap, my favorite gems from Hobby Lobby, paint of your choice, a brush, and bows. You can make your own bows from ribbon from the Dollar Tree, but I bought these already made from Home Goods. I took the ornament hook out and placed it on the side to pour some paint on top of the ornament. I've always painted like this rather than dipping my paint on a plate over and over again. I like to move quick. When you're finished painting, set it aside for a couple of hours and then start gluing the diamond wrap on top. I went ahead and cut the wrap to one single strand and glued the first strand across the ornament. I repeated this all over until every angle was covered. They have different diamond wrap colors to choose from, so you can match whatever color scheme you're going for. Also, if you wanted to match it with the bow and the paint color, you can totally do that too because they have the colors for everything. I then placed the hook back on so I can put some glue on it and add the bow. I wanted to give it a little extra sparkle, so I added a little rhinestone right in the center of the bow. And here's how the ornaments turned out. I made a couple of these just to try different styles, and my favorite has to be the clear one. It's so glam, and just by adding rhinestone and the bow, it just took it to the next level. Which one is your favorite? And if you recreated these, what colors would you go for? These are very glam, and I could have added more sparkle with glitter, but it just gets too messy, so I'm trying to stay away. If you want to add it though, you can just paint Mod Podge all over it and then sprinkle the glitter. For the second DIY, you will need garland ties, 2 packs of garland, 4 framed mirrors, diamond wrap, a pack of silver mini ornaments, string lights, and a foam board. I will be making a snowflake, so I cut some of the diamond wrap into different sizes and then just hot glued them on top of the mirror. For the ends of the snowflake, I cut 3x3 square shapes and glued them together, pointing against each other. Actually sitting on a cake stand. I got this idea from the fabulous Be My Guest with Denise here on YouTube. She's so talented. Make sure to go check her out and let her know that I sent you. For this last DIY, you can either make it garland for the stairs or a beautiful decorative table centerpiece. I'll show you how it looks like in my entryway. You will need 2 packs of garland, garland ties, your choice of ribbon, ornament hooks, mini ornaments, and 4 jumbo ornaments. I also included the frosted stems from my previous DIY, and if you haven't seen that video yet, I'll link it down below so you can check it out. I made a really beautiful centerpiece for the dining room and little essentials for the table. Taking my garland, I'm going to wrap it around the stairway, and I folded the 15-foot garland in half so I can make it thicker. Then I added the jumbo ornaments first and accompanied by the mini ornaments.